Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick little update related to forms. And now, when you add text fields, you have the option to hyperlink text. That's a new functionality. So just as an example, you can do something like on the left side here, there's a text element. Let's drag it in. You have text. We can do something like, and let's make the text smaller. Let's make it 20 or 18. And what you do here is, let's click back on it. You select the part of the text you want to hyperlink, right? Then you click the three dots, link, and then whatever, google.com, confirm, right? And you can see it's hyperlinked here. So yeah, pretty simple. Make sure to select the text you want to hyperlink and then click on here and click the link icon. So pretty straightforward. Yeah, if you have any questions, click on down here below, 24/7 chat support, but this one is pretty straightforward. Usually that's like the most common case, what you would use them for, terms and conditions, terms of use, privacy policy, whatever, right? Just to kind of be upfront, transparent. So it's kind of like the most common reason, at least. But yeah, any questions, 24/7 chat support. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.